morning students. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. In today's class I am going to explain noun. What is a noun? How many kinds of noun? How to identify their kinds? All these question answer you will get in this video. So watch the video till end. Noun. What is noun? Noun means words which are used as names of person, animals, places, things, quality or conditions are called noun. In short, if I want to tell you the definition of noun, whatever we can touch, feel, seen, all is noun. Clear? So many definitions are there of nouns. Basically whatever we can see, touch and feel, that is noun. Whatever present in this world, that is also a noun. Many definition according to many grammarians. Okay, so exact definition is that words which are used as names of person, animals, places, things, quality or conditions are called noun. If you are not able to remember all this definition, in short I tell you, whatever we can touch, feel and see, that is noun. Clear? So what is the noun? It's already clear. Kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. How many kinds of noun are there? There are 5 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, material noun, abstract noun and collective noun. Okay, so these are 5 kinds of proper noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Let me tell you, all these 5 kinds of noun further can be divided into 2 groups, which is countable and uncountable noun. Okay, that I will discuss later. And all these 4 noun like proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, also known as concrete noun. C-O-N-C. Concrete noun. Clear? These all 4 kinds of noun also known as a concrete noun. Sometimes people ask the question, what is concrete noun? Concrete noun means a noun which can be seen. A noun which can be seen is known as a concrete noun. And all these 4 kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, all these kinds of noun, 4 kinds of noun can be seen by anybody. So that is why these all 4 kinds of noun is also known as a concrete noun. Clear? Now I am going to explain all the nouns in detail one by one. Proper noun. Proper noun. Now what is proper noun? A proper noun means the noun which denotes a proper person, place, etc. is called proper noun. Means, in other words, when we give a particular name to a person or thing, it's become a proper noun. And proper noun always begins with a capital letter. You always keep in mind proper noun, where the proper noun comes, it's always written with a capital letter. Whether it came into the beginning of the sentence or maybe in the mid of the sentence, end of the sentence. Proper noun always start with a capital letter. Okay? So the noun which denotes proper person, place, etc. is called a proper noun. Means when we give a particular name to a person, place, animal or thing, it's become a proper noun. For example, Ram. Okay? Bhind. Temple, etc. All these are known as a proper noun because these are a particular name of a place or person. That is why they are known as a proper noun. Second is common noun. What is a common noun? A common noun is the name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Common noun means when we give a common name to a person or thing of the same kind or class. Keep in mind, of the same kind and class. That is common noun. For example, boy. The same kind of noun. Boy, teacher, city, etc. All these are a common noun. Clear? So, what is a proper noun and what is a common noun, that is already clear. Okay. Next heading is collective noun. What is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a number or collection of person or things taken together and spoken as one whole is known as a collective noun. Means a group of person or things spoken of as one whole is known as a collective noun. For example, army, a group of soldiers is known as army. A class, a group of students is known as a class. Team, a group of players is known as a team. So and these are example of collective nouns. Now you understand what is a collective noun. Next is material noun. What is a material noun? A material noun is the name of the matter or substance. Pay attention. Matter or substance of which a thing is made. Etc. is called material noun. Clear? A thing is made up of what kind of a material is known as a material noun. For example, wood, gold, bread, etc. So I explained what is a proper noun, what is a common noun, what is a collective noun, what is a material noun. I hope in these four kinds of noun you don't have any problem, and all these four kinds of noun is also known as a concrete noun. Now the last one is left, that is abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of quality, action or state. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is the name of quality, action or state. And it can only be felt or thought of. It can only be felt or thought of. It cannot be seen or touched, because an abstract noun has no form, weight, size or color. That is why it cannot be seen or touched. It can be felt or thought of only. Okay. For example, kindness. Kindness we can feel. Okay, we can think of. We cannot see or touch kindness, honesty and death. These things cannot be touched and cannot be seen. These things can be felt or think of. So that is abstract noun. Now all these five kinds of noun further can be divided into two groups, that is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Now what is a countable nouns? For example, next countable noun, next uncountable nouns. Okay, all these five kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, further can be divided into two groups. One is countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable nouns and uncountable noun. Now what is a countable noun? A noun which can be count is known as a countable noun. Uncountable noun, those nouns which cannot be count is known as a uncountable noun. For example, proper nouns, material nouns and abstract nouns. These nouns are not countable. Okay, that is why all these nouns came into the uncountable nouns group. Clear? In this video I explained what is noun. Okay, noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing is known as a noun. Okay, how many kinds of noun? There are five kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun and abstract noun. All these five kinds of noun can be further divided into two kinds, that is countable or uncountable noun. So I hope you understand the topic now. I try to explain the nouns in full details, how to identify the nouns with examples. Okay, So in the next video, I will explain another topic of your syllabus. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.